Here is a step-by-step process on how to buy Qubetics cryptocurrency by using ticks with Wix and a DEX. So first, you need to create or get a crypto wallet. You may use MetaMask and Phantom. After that, you need to buy USDT by selecting the Buy Crypto option on the Wix homepage. Purchase USDT and using your preferred payment method. USDT is a stable coin widely accepted on DEX. Third, send the USDT onto your wallet and make sure you select the correct network. For example, Ethereum, Binance, or Solana that matches your wallet. Fourth, connect your wallet to a DEX. Choose a DEX that supports the cryptocurrency you wanted and connect your wallet. Lastly, you have to swap your USDT for Qubetics. You need to select USDT/Qubetics trading pair and enter the amount you wanted to exchange. Lastly, you need to carefully review transaction details such as their fees or gas fees on Ethereum and some potential slippage before confirming it. And that's how you buy Qubitics cryptocurrency.